Today I'm opening a driving school.
Do you accept girls to driving school?
Yes, we do.
Will you please give me a ride home?
Yes, of course. Have a seat.
Thank you.
Oh, driving school?
Do you accept bandits to your school?
Everyone can go to our driving school. Maybe you will learn to drive and become a good taxi driver.
Oh, cool.
Now I will never get caught.
I am even a little scared.
And I'm not afraid at all.
I have been driving a buggy for a long time, so I have enough experience for everyone. Well, let's start our classes. The right is gas pedal. We press it when we want to go. Like this.
I see.
Yeah, gas is cool.
The left is brake pedal. It is pressed when we want to stop. Like this.
Okay.
We turn the steering wheel when we want to turn the car to the right or to the left.
I see.
Right, left.
When we want to move forward, we switch the lever to the H position. If we want to go backwards, at the letter R. The letter N is the neutral position.
And what is the letter L?
This is a gear for the lazy.
No, L is a reduced gear for extreme cases.
For extreme cases?
Don't worry, you won't need it today.
Phew, good.
Easy.
Now we will have a practical training. So we start the car. And now let's go ahead.
Oh, sorry.
Cars are not for girls.
Don't worry too much. Now we'll see how he will pass.
Watch and learn.
Good luck.
Now we start the car and drive forward.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Well, you're just great. Now we'll learn to go around cones. Let's start the test.
Oops, I hit one.
It's okay, you will have another try.
I will show her now.
Let's see.
This is already completely ridiculous.
And so our courses are over for today. You're good. Here you are.
Thank you. Hooray!
It looks like driving is not for me.
Don't worry. Come back tomorrow to study again.